Hello guys, welcome back. Fans are going crazy over this supposed evidence involving Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun. And honestly, when I first saw it, my reaction was, wait, could this really mean something? After Kim Go-eun's recent Best Actress recognition, some fans started connecting the dots and saying Lee Min-ho may finally be ready to openly court our queen. But guys, before we celebrate, let's slow down and actually look at where this story came from. As far as publicly confirmed information goes, there has been no official announcement from Lee Min-ho's agency or Kim Go-eun's agency confirming that he is courting her. So for now, this remains a fan theory, not a confirmed relationship. And this is exactly where celebrity stories become interesting. Fans often remember their chemistry from the King Eternal Monarch, especially those behind-the-scenes moments where the comfort and playful interaction felt very natural. Years later, people are still looking at those old clips and saying, was there something more? Personally, I understand why fans feel that way. Their on-screen chemistry was strong, and their professional partnership created a memorable dynamic. But chemistry on camera does not automatically tell us what happens in private. What I find more fascinating is how quickly public perception can turn a simple interaction into a love story. One photo, one gesture, one piece of jewelry, or even an old interview can suddenly become evidence once fans already believe in particular theory. That's why I think we should separate what we actually know from what we simply hope is true. And if Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun are both single, that does not mean they have to be together. Their private loves belong to them. But if one day they actually confirm something, well, I already know the internet is going to explode. For me, the real takeaway is not whether this rumor is true today, it's how powerful their chemistry has remained years after their drama ended. Maybe it's just great acting, maybe it's friendship, and maybe there's something fans don't know. Until they speak for themselves, I'm keeping this is the interesting fan theory category. What do you think? Convincing evidence, or are fans connecting too many dots? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.